Here we have Terra Luna, symbol LUNA versus the dollar, and I wanted to follow up on this one because we did hit our target off of the medium-term timeframe breakout towards the 118 to 125 region. Looks like we got a high price of about 119.5, so that's good. Short-term, as was requested, I probably am looking for a bit more sideways right here. I'm actually not too strong on the short term for this one in particular, but if I had to call it, a bit of sideways and probably a bounce as we do start to print in some potential hidden bullish divergence, which will be confirmed with a full hour or even an hourly closure above about $110.5, with targets up towards, actually more towards like 113. However, I am getting some signals for a bit of a deeper pullback on the daily right here, as we do see the daily BBWP go back into a contraction phase. So corrective moves incoming, most likely, and we do see many drives of bearish divergence come off those highs as well. So the general target for that would be about 102.25 to 102.5, and if it does go for a deeper correction, then somewhere around about 91 to 92 bucks. And then we come back to it after that. Long term though, it's still, among some of the best charts in cryptocurrency land, but the question is it putting in like a major macro top right there or not? I'm actually still inclined to say that's pretty good long term, as long as you do remain above that basically like $91 pivot or so. But for right now, short term bouncy, and probably does correct a little bit more to the downside before anything else, and then maybe gives another try like later this month or so. So hopefully that was helpful. And there you go for Luna. Actually, just one more thing on Luna. I do want to see what it looks like over here. Let's see. Okay, so weekly. Whoops, wrong chart actually. Got all my damn charts mixed up over here. All right, Luna. Let's go to a weekly. Okay, we're going to be vertical above 85, so that's okay for now. Daily is turning down below 117 and 70. So again, yeah, daily and 2-day both corrective right here. 2 days postured at about 115, and the 5-day turns down below $100, which would actually be rather nasty. Short-term timeframes, yeah, coming down to extremes here at 112. So probably a little bit more sideways, but very likely a bounce shorter term. And then actually I probably would be looking for pullbacks down around about $100 to maybe even as low as $90, and then come back to it after that. So hopefully that was helpful, and there you go for Luna.